Welcome back to Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn fashion and style words. Trendy, रिवाज के मुताबिक, latest fashion. For example, she always wears trendy clothes. Outfit, मुकम्मल लिबास. For example, I love your outfit today. Accessorize, छोटी चीजों से लिबास को मुकम्मल करना. For example, she loves to accessorize with jewelry. Style, अंदाज, तर्ज. For example, he has a very unique style. Fitting, लिबास का नाप चेक करना. For example, I tried the dress in the fitting room. Wardrobe, कपड़ों की अलमारी. For example, my wardrobe needs new clothes. Vintage, पुराने ज़माने का, classic. For example, she bought a vintage jacket. Elegant, शाइस्तगी वाला, खूबसूरत अंदाज. For example, the dress looked very elegant. अब बताएं, आपका favorite style क्या है? ऐसी ही वीडियोस के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें.